Hey, I'm Kylie. Did you know pilots aren't the only ones who help keep aircraft flying? There are many people working behind the scenes to restore the turbine engines, and some of them work at a company called Mint Turbines, located right here in Oklahoma. You might find it rewarding to work in an area where you repair and restore turbine engines for helicopters and military and commercial aircraft. The future is all yours and the sky's the limit.
Even the worst day here is probably the best day I've had anywhere else. I am David Norton. I'm the Vice President and General Manager here at Mint Turbines. We overhaul and repair helicopter and aircraft turbines. We do NDT, we do logistics, obviously mechanic, we have a clean room, we do paint, we do weld, we have a machine shop.
I live here in Stroud. Growing up, I drove past this place time and time again. I knew they did something with aircraft. Had a buddy that worked at Mint Turbines and talked to him, got on, came to work here, and then figured out that, wow, there's a broad horizon right here in my back door.
The engines are pulled off, they come into us, we disassemble them.
Can tear it down completely to every nut and bolt.
Repair any parts that need repaired, replace any parts that need replaced.
And after they price it and the customer gives us the okay to build it, we'll roll it out here and we'll put it all back together again. And then we'll go to test sale, get tested, make sure everything's good. We will do a final inspection / assembly of it. All the safety wires, all the little nuts and bolts, we go over it again.
And then we send them back out to the customer.
I've been here all my life, other than I went to the Air Force for a while, and once I was out I went to and lived in Oklahoma City, but came back specifically for this job. This was really my only job in the aerospace world, and I enjoy it. I enjoy the intricacies of it and the preciseness of it. Being in Stroud all my life, coming here, before I went to the Air Force, I knew I wanted to come back. So the small town mentality and camaraderie was very uplifting, and just a sense of accomplishment to be in my own hometown.
A lot of them come through Career Tech. They come in ready to adapt what they've learned into what we do.
Really the only training I had was I went to Central Tech and Drumright. So if a high school kid is interested in aerospace, go to a Career Tech and get the necessary skills to come into a place like this and not be totally lost. So going to Career Tech would give you a jump start into the aerospace industry. Here in Oklahoma, there are thousands of aerospace jobs, and the opportunity is great in Oklahoma.
Our workforce is very diverse. We have people that have been here 20 plus years to people who've been here a few weeks.
I've been building these engines for 20 plus years. You're not only putting aircraft in the air, you're helping save people. I was a volunteer fireman here for close to 10 years, so it's kind of in me to help people.